Collins are market leader in bilingual dictionary publishing, and we work with many prestigious dictionary publishers around the world, such as Le Robert in France, Random House Mondadori in Spain, Lang & Scheit in Germany, and Merriam-Webster in the US. We also work with hundreds of other publishers around the world. Our relationship with Le Robert in France started over 30 years ago when we created the first edition of the Collins Robert French dictionary, this one, which has sold over 3 million copies worldwide. We have joint copyright of this title, which means that Le Robert benefit from our lexicographical work on English words, and we benefit from their work on their French corpus and their monitoring of the French language. But the majority of the titles which Le Robert publish under the Le Robert et Collins branding is actually our copyright. And we don't just create dictionaries in English to French. We also create a range of dictionaries in other languages, French to Italian, French to Spanish, which means that, for example, the Le Robert et Collins Poche Espagnole will be published in Spain by Random House Mondadori as Collins Pocket Plus Frances. We update all our dictionaries using a team of experienced native speaker lexicographers who monitor their language and are able to create and update and compile entries which reflect the language or their language as it is used today. Printed dictionaries are a very important part of our co-publication business, but we also create a wide range of digital products for our partners. One example of this is the dictionary applications that we created for Le Robert. They were entering a bid to provide 2 regions in France with a series of bilingual dictionaries for each student. So we created these applications and they were successful. So each student in Les Landes and l'Oise now have French English, French Spanish and French German dictionaries on their laptop, which have been created by us. So if publishers tell us what their requirements are, we have the data, the expertise, and a wide range of existing products that we can adapt to create exactly what publishers are looking for. So if you like our publications, but you need us to tailor them to your markets, here at Collins we have the expertise and the flexibility to fulfill your needs.